Hello students, let us solve more questions of height and distance. The question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower as observed from a point on the ground is alpha and moving a meters towards the tower, the angle of elevation is beta. Prove that the height of the tower is a tan alpha upon tan beta minus tan alpha. So let us draw the diagram. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground is alpha. So CD is the tower and A is the point of observation. Angle DAC is alpha. Now, and moving a meter towards the tower, the angle of elevation is beta. Now the person moves a meter towards the tower, and suppose now he is at point B. Angle DBC is given to us, it is beta. Then prove that the height of the tower is, we have to prove, student, this is the height of tower. So let us suppose BC equals to x meter, then AC equal to A plus x meter, and CD is the height of tower h meter. So this all information we have to write. CD be the height of tower. Let CD equals to h meter. A is the point of observation. Angle DAC equal to alpha. DAC equals to alpha. Given. AB equals to A meter given. Angle DBC equal to beta given. AC equals to A plus x meter. This AC equals to A plus x meter. Now students, we will take right angle triangle as you know. So in triangle BCD, which trigonometric ratio we can use? Student, you can see this we have to prove, and in this the trigonometric ratio is 10. So we can take 10 beta equals to h upon x perpendicular upon base. So in triangle BCD, 10 beta equals to h upon x, equation number 1. Now student, we need tan alpha. So in triangle DCA, always remember student, we have to take a right angle triangle. That's why we will take here ACD, not ABD. Okay. So in triangle ACD, tan alpha equals to h upon A plus x perpendicular upon base. Base is AC. AC value is A plus x. So in triangle ACD, tan alpha equals to h upon A plus x. Question number 2. Now student, we have to check what we need. So according we have to do calculation. You can see this we have to prove. So in numerator we need tan alpha into tan beta, product of tan alpha tan beta. That's why student, we are going to multiply equation 1 and 2. Okay. So multiplying equation 1 and 2. So tan alpha multiplied by tan beta becomes tan alpha tan beta. H multiplying. So it will be h square. X multiplied by A plus x. So it will remain as it is, x bracket A plus x. This is equation number 3. We have got product which we need. Now students, in denominator you can see we need difference, tan beta minus tan alpha. So to get this, we are going to subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. So subtracting equation 2 from 1, so tan beta minus tan alpha equals to h upon x minus h upon a plus x. So tan beta minus tan alpha equals to h upon x minus h upon a plus x. So tan beta minus tan alpha equals to, we can take LCM, x and a plus x. X cancel, student. A plus x multiply by h. We can write here h bracket a plus x. Now divide by denominator. Denominator is a plus x. So a plus x will be cancelled. X multiply by hx. Okay. Now let us open the bracket. So it will be ah plus hx minus hx. So one value positive, one negative, both are equal. So both will be cancelled. Then tan beta minus tan alpha equals to ah upon x a plus h. Correct? So we have got difference also. Now student, you can see we have to divide the product by the difference. So that's why we are writing here dividing equation 3 by 4. This equation by this equation, because we need product upon difference. That's why we are doing this. So tan alpha tan beta upon tan beta minus tan alpha h square x bracket a plus x upon ah upon x plus x bracket a plus x. So tan alpha tan beta upon tan beta minus tan alpha equals to h square x bracket a plus x upon ah upon x bracket a plus x. Okay, so we have to write the reciprocal, both have denominators. So it will become h square x bracket a plus x into x bracket a plus x upon ah. H cancel, x bracket a plus x bracket a plus x, both are equal, so both will be cancelled. Now left h upon a. So by cross multiplication a will come this side. So it will become a tan alpha tan beta upon tan beta minus tan alpha equals to h. So this we need. This is the height of the tower. So height of tower equals to a tan alpha tan beta upon tan beta minus tan alpha. Student, we have got this and this is proved. So we can write here hence proved. Okay. So student, remember, when there are questions of proved, okay, so we have to do all the things according to this which we need. Okay, I have taken tan alpha here because we need tan alpha. I have taken tan beta because we need tan alpha. After then I have multiplied equation 1 and 2 y because we need the product. After then I subtracted equation 2 from equation 1 y because we need tan beta minus tan alpha. So according to the required things we have to do the calculation, student. Okay, then you can get your answer easily. Now student, one more questions. Question number 2. From vertically situated aeroplane to the state highway, the angle of depression of two stones 1 kilometer apart are alpha and beta. If aeroplane is in vertical plane in between two stones, show that the height of the aeroplane from the road in kilometers is tan alpha tan beta upon tan alpha plus tan beta. The same kind of question. Diagram is different, student. So let us draw the diagram. There is a plane vertically situated above the state highway. So this is highway, student, AB, and aeroplane is at point C. Correct? After then the angle of depression of two stones 1 kilometer apart are alpha and beta. So let the stones are at point A and B, and any passenger from the aeroplane, he saw both the stones. Angle formed from his eye are DCA alpha and ECB beta. The distance between two stones, it is given to us, it is 1 kilometer. So let's suppose AF equals to x kilometer, then BF equals to 1 minus x kilometer, because the total distance between A and B is 1 kilometer. And suppose the height of the aeroplane from the highway is h kilometer. Correct, students? So now student, DCA is alpha. So this angle equals to angle A, alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle ECB equals to angle B, because alternate interior angles. So angle B will be beta. So all this information we have to write first. Let aeroplane be at point C and stone be at point A and B. AB equals to 1 kilometer given. CF is the height of aeroplane. Let CF equals to h meter. Angle DCA equals to angle A equal to alpha. Alternate interior angle. Angle ECB equals to angle B equals to beta. Alternate interior angle. So all this information I have written about the figure. Now students, again we have to prove. So according to this, we will take trigonometric ratio 10. So in triangle we need tan alpha. So in triangle AFC, tan alpha equals to h upon x, perpendicular upon base. So in triangle AFC, tan alpha equals to h upon x, equation 1. Now student we need tan beta. In triangle BFC, tan beta equals to h upon 1 minus x. Tan beta equals to h upon 1 minus x, equation 2. We need product of tan alpha and tan beta. So that's why multiplying equation 1 by 2. So it will become tan alpha tan beta. H multiplied by h become x square. X multiplied by 1 minus x. It will remain as it is in denominator. This is equation 3. Student, we need the sum of tan alpha and tan beta. That's why adding equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So tan alpha plus tan beta equals to h upon x plus h upon 1 minus x. Now student, to add these two values, we have to take LCM. LCM is x, 1 minus x. So x cancel, h multiplied by 1 minus x plus 1 minus x, 1 minus x cancel, x multiplied by h. Let us open the bracket, h1 ja h, minus hx plus hx. So minus hx plus hx both will be cancelled. So it is h upon x, 1 minus x. So tan alpha plus tan beta equals to h upon x, 1 minus x, equation number 4. Now students, let us divide. We need tan alpha tan beta upon tan alpha plus tan beta. That's why we are going to divide equation number 3 by equation number 4. So tan alpha tan beta upon tan alpha plus tan beta equals to h square upon x bracket 1 minus x upon h upon x bracket 1 minus x. So we have to write the reciprocal of the denominator. So it will become tan alpha tan beta upon tan alpha plus tan beta equals to h square upon x into a plus x into x 1 minus x upon h. h's cancel and this value will be cancelled. Now student, we have got our answer, tan alpha tan beta upon tan alpha plus tan beta equals to h, height of aeroplane. Okay, students? Okay then.